What if the next great cities of humanity are not on Earth, but on Mars? A world where no human has ever lived, yet one day, millions might. Mars, the cold, silent neighbor of Earth, hiding a future we are only beginning to imagine. But what would cities on Mars actually look like? Not skyscrapers touching clouds, because Mars has no clouds like Earth. Instead, humanity would build differently, smarter, safer. Because Mars is not just far away, it is dangerous. Extreme cold, deadly radiation, and almost no breathable air. So where would humans even begin building a city here? Scientists believe the safest cities may not be on the surface at all, but hidden beneath it. These natural tunnels formed billions ago could protect entire civilizations. Underground cities, shielded from radiation and harsh weather. But not all cities would be hidden. Some may rise under massive protective domes. Sealed environments creating Earth-like conditions on an alien world. These domes would trap air, regulate temperature, and block radiation. Every breath inside, carefully controlled. Every drop of water, recycled again and again. And every structure built to survive a world that was never meant for us. But building a city is only the beginning. Surviving on Mars is the real challenge. Mars storms can cover the entire planet, lasting for months.
Blocking sunlight and threatening the very energy systems cities depend on. So future cities would need smarter energy solutions. Perhaps small nuclear reactors providing constant power day and night.
Because on Mars, sunlight is not always reliable. Food would not come from fields, but from controlled environments. Farms inside domes or deep underground. Every plant carefully grown to feed a growing population. Because importing food from Earth would be too slow and too expensive. And then there is gravity. Mars has only 38% of Earth's gravity. Over time, this could change the human body. Weaker bones, reduced muscle mass, and unknown long-term effects. So cities would include special areas just to keep humans healthy. Spinning habitats, creating gravity through motion. But even with all this technology, Mars remains unforgiving. A single failure could risk an entire city, which is why redundancy would be everything. On Mars, survival would depend on perfection. But what if Mars truly becomes our second home? A place where children are born, not on Earth, but on another world. A generation that has never felt Earth's gravity or breathed its air. For them, Mars would not feel alien. It would feel like home. But could humans truly adapt to life here? Scientists are still searching for answers. Can we grow enough food? Generate enough oxygen? Survive long-term? The truth is, we are closer than ever before. With missions already planning to send humans within decades. But living on Mars will never be easy. It will demand innovation, courage, and sacrifice. And yet humanity has always pushed beyond limits. From the first step into space to building cities on another planet.
Mars could become the greatest experiment in human history, a second chance to build a better civilization. Or a reminder of how fragile life truly is. Because beyond these walls, Mars remains unforgiving.
So the question is not just, can we live on Mars? But should we? And what kind of world will we create when we get there?